It would be dumb. If you guys are at the gym, if you guys ever go to a gym and see the gym owner not working out there, right? He's always at his gym. He's not at somebody else's gym working out. Last one would be, if you guys owned a bank, would you guys make deposits in your bank or with Bank of America or Wall Street? Right? Probably keep money at your bank. If you needed a loan for a car or a house or rehab on a property you were doing, would you go borrow that money from your bank or somebody else's? So today, what I wanted to talk about today is why all of you, or maybe why haven't you guys decided to become your own banks? This strategy has been used for literally 200 years old. It's been used by the wealthiest families in history to minimize their taxation, pay off debts, and pass money down to their kids and great grandkids in an efficient way. So to dive into today, I want to talk about banking. This is something that not a lot of people talk about or understand, and it's really a major paradigm shift for most people when they start learning about it, because what banking actually is the business of protecting money. It's interesting that when we talk about banking and it being the business of protecting money, this probably affects every single component of your life, whether you understand it or not. And who do you do banking with? Wall Street, right? The big banks, Chase, US Bank, JP Morgan, those people. Do they really protect your money better than you would? Probably not. Wouldn't you rather find a place you could better deposit money and lend money with yourself? If you could be the bank protecting money, depositing money, lending money, somewhere you could be in control, that would change the game, right? So when I first learned this strategy, I read this book called Becoming Your Own Banker. It's a fantastic book. Everybody in this room should read it. But this book is the foundation to understanding how banks work and how you can take advantage of being your own bank. And so in this book, he highlights the problem that I'm talking about today and that we'll dive deeper into. But the problem is that you finance everything in life. Well, what does that mean, you finance everything in life? Well, it means you either borrow money from somebody, a bank, and pay them interest, or you use your money and pay for something cash, but that means you give up the interest that you could have earned on your money.